So let's talk about addition really quick and what addition is, addition 101, so to speak. But before I get into that really quick, I want to mention to you that the worksheet associated with this lesson is going to be linked down below. It's going to be a free printable worksheet that you can print out and use with this lesson as you wish to kind of walk your child through it. That's going to be linked down below. So let's talk about this a little bit. Let's say, what is addition? Addition essentially is, let's take an example. Let's say I have banana. I have one banana and I want to add to that banana. I really like bananas. I want to add 2 more bananas to that banana. So essentially now I'll have equal 3 bananas. It will equal 3 bananas for me. That plus sign that you see right there, that's just telling us that we're going to add. That's addition. That's going to tell us we're going to add. And that little equal sign, those 2 lines, that's telling us what our total is. So essentially what addition is just taking something you already had and adding onto it. So addition is really just adding on something to what you already have. That's what addition really is, putting on more on what you already have. So when you think about that, let's talk about that. It's really important to understand we really have just 10 numbers that are the basis of our whole numerical system. Our whole system is based off of 10 numbers. And there's 0, 1, 2, 3, as you know, 4, as you might be counting and be able to do it, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So those are the basic numbers in our numerical system. And when you think about that, if you know how to count, then you're going to know how to add too, because it's all based off of that. If you know how to count, you're going to know how to add. And these numbers start to repeat themselves in a given pattern. So we know we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? Then once you get past 9, you start to see a pattern. 10, then 11 right there. And then you have a 2 and you also have a 12. Look, and you have a 3, you have a 13, and then 14, and then 15. 16, 17, 18, and 19. So the numbers start to repeat themselves in a particular pattern. If you can recognize these patterns and pick out patterns, it's going to help you with counting, it's going to help you with addition and subtraction, it's going to help you with a lot of different things when you think about these patterns. So let's take a look at this right here, just kind of to sum up or to summarize this first part of what we talked about. We know that addition, let's say we have 1, and we're going to add to it. We're just adding on more to what we already have, and that's going to give us 3. So now let's take this and do some real world application. Let's get some practice with this round and kind of work through the worksheets I just talked about. Let's get some practice.